A friend who's well known to these motorbikes told me, "Man, you won't start this bike by kicking." I said, "You don't know me. I don't have any bike with a pussy starter. I'm gonna kick that." You know what? I was as wrong as these big fund managers short squeezing GameStop. No freaking chance. But in the first place I had no other choice than kickstarting the bike because I didn't have the starter motor. But I ordered one and now we can put it in. Lazy Bikedogtor again thought that I can mount something without removing everything around. The screw doesn't fit. With the airbox on, no chance. Does the new starter motor work? Let's see. That's really exciting now because, as you saw already with kicking, it's impossible to start this bike. I think with one kick you turn the crank half a turn probably and maybe push the piston down. But the carbs are not tuned in, the engine is new, it's really cold. It will never run like this and not kick started. So this is the first time I'm actually turning the engine. Woo! You heard it? You wanted to start already? Okay, put it together and see if it will run. I'm really nervous and really excited. Will it run? This is the best feeling ever. I'm so happy that this bike runs now. Now let's get to something else really important. This is a perfect example why I like making the YouTube videos. these covers were mounted wrong by the BMW mechanic who did the engine, and I didn't know about it because they are swapped left and right side, and some guys in the comment section figured out that these are wrong, and I would never know without the videos. So that's good. Help each other and everything is okay. Yes, you are completely right. I'm no BMW mechanic. I haven't touched these bikes before and I didn't know that it's 3 screws. When I got that engine, these straight lines pointed upwards a little bit and now they're straight. That's how it's supposed to be. Luckily nothing inside is damaged because inside both covers are the same.